Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Bahar Bank Finance Corporation. How can I assist you?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Mga tanan lang din ko, ma'am. Kung saan pag-apply o salary loan, ma'am. First time ko sa ako ni ma'am. Sa step, ma'am.
Ay, okay kayo, sir. Pwede mo ka na sa mga full name o nasa ka ng trabaho.
Ako din si John Marco Valdez, ma'am. Nagtrabaho ko sa First Line Solutions Incorporated as a software analyst, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Ilan na kakatuloy ng trabaho?
From gikan sa ako ang pagka-hire, ma'am, around 3 years na kapin, ma'am.
Ilan ang monthly income or salary, sir?
Ang monthly income, ma'am, is 35,000 a month.
Ay, okay kayo, sir. Qualify ka sa salary loan. Ang salary loan din, sir, is a type of personal loan offered to employed individuals, typically based on your monthly income and payment capacity. Since 35,000 a monthly, so pwede ka makaloan up to 150,000 payable up to 24 months with an interest of 1.5%. The requirements needed, sir, is two valid government IDs, certificate of employment and compensation, latest payslip, company ID, and proof of billing.
Okay din, ma'am. So, actually, ma'am, is naan na po yung lang para na ako possible na requirements, ma'am. Kung naan na siya, ritanan, pwede i-check lang yung ma'am.
Punta. Fill out sa natin application form.
Ayos na po.
Photocopy ang mga valid ID, sir.
Ang pagkakapin na ano. Mag-need pa ba ni ma'am o co-maker or collateral, ma'am?
Actually, sir, no need for a co-maker and also no need for a collateral as long as your document is complete and your credit standing is clear.
So, ma'am, mga tanong, nakaka-chance ma-approve ni ma'am.
So, if process pa niya siya, sir, within 1 to 5 business days, mas daliin niya siya i-process if your company is accredited already.
Okay, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am.
Okay, sir, good news, sir. Your company Firstline Solution Incorporated is accredited. Posible na ma-approvean ka ang link na application, sir.
Okay din kayo, ma'am. Salamat kayo, ma'am.
Paabutan kayo sa mga updates, sir, or message on minimum for some updates. Thank you so much, sir, for choosing Bahar Bank Finance Corporation as your loan partner.
Salamat sa thank you sa kayo.